Good morning, sir. What is your name, please?
Kayvon Williams.
Okay, Mr. Williams. Hold on a second.
It was me, I kicked myself out.
Did you? Okay. You like doing that, don't you? Okay, Mr. Williams, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. We'll have an attorney come and speak to you shortly. You just have to be patient. We got a lot of people today. It's gonna say join on your device. You go ahead and do that for me now, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Wait. Sorry, Judge. I thought I had to do that. So sorry. Oh, wait.
If I don't let her sit here, she howls in the background. I've just accepted it.
Okay. Like I'm on here. You guys see me? I'm on here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. Yes.
You can't put her on the floor.
Oh, she'll come right back. Yeah. See, people are telling you to get on the floor. Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. Go ahead.
36th District Court, State of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating, no sleeping, no smoking, no gum chewing, no driving, no drinking. Please keep your devices on mute till you are addressed by one of the courthouse staff. Also, keep your devices on a level surface so that you may be seen on screen. Also, there is no laying down or lounging. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Good morning. You ready?
Oh, yes. I'm sorry.
I know. Good.
Sorry.
It's okay. Just for a second. Here we go. All right, Mr. Duplessis, I brought you in so I can get you out. So, especially because your cat's not enjoying our court service this morning.
She's not.
All right. Miss Kimberly Ware, if you could go ahead and, are you able to show your camera, face on the camera? Miss Ware?
Mute.
Are we able to see you this morning?
I don't know how to come back. It's
Hit the video camera.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there you go. All right. You ready?
We are.
All right.
These
These are the matters of the people versus Kimberly Ware. This is case number U566-96120. One count of enter vacant building without written authorization. Also calling U ticket 32970416. One count of costing or soliciting another for the act. Appearances for the record, please, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ashley Duplessis, P82896, on behalf of Kimberly Ware.
And Ms. Greer, can you state your name for the record, please? Well,
You just muted yourself. Kim, hit the microphone.
There we go. Go ahead and speak, ma'am.
Can you hear me? My name's Kimberly Ware.
Yes, I can hear you.
I'm sorry.
No,
And Your
you're
Honor, we
fine.
are consenting to do this by Zoom today.
Thank you. I believe this
Yes.
is the date you set for an arraignment on a warrant.
Yes, first and foremost, Your Honor, I would request that the warrants be set aside in these matters.
At this time, the court is going to grant that request and set aside any warrants that may be out on these tickets.
And Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, I'd like to stand Ms. Weir mute and waive the formal reading of the charges.
At this time, the court is going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf.
Thank you, Your Honor. A offer was made by Shannon Walker from the city attorney's office that they will be dismissing the solicitation charge and offering a 12-month delay on the entering of the building charge. And I am requesting that she be allowed to plead no contest to that based on lack of memory and potential civil liability.
And the court is going to allow her to do that this time. Ms. Ware, is this how you want to proceed today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, if so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Ware, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for the plea today?
No.
And are you, you're entering a no contest plea today? Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
All right. And do you know that your no contest plea will be entered and treated as a guilty plea for these purposes on today? Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding that, do you understand that your no contest plea, you're going to give up any rights that you have or may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward with this no contest plea?
Yes, please.
Okay. Reading from the ticket, if that's okay. Ms. Attorney.
Yes, Your Honor, we'll stipulate to the face of the ticket.
All right. So on the date of April the 8th of 2020, in the area at the location of 4681 31st Street in the city of Detroit, Ms. Kimberly Ware did enter a vacant building without written authorization. Satisfied?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the court is satisfied as well and will accept this no contest plea to entering vacant building without permission. Ms. Ware, and is there stipulation for probable cause on the count being dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to dismiss the other U-ticket issue in this matter. Ms. Ware, as a part of this 12-month delayed sentence, you have to complete the Joseph project.
Oh, yes, Your Honor. Okay, sorry. Can I give you a little more information about that?
Okay. Yeah, I'm not very familiar with it. Can you just give me a quick rundown of what that is?
Yes, so I'm actually a pro bono attorney through the Joseph Project. It's an organization that's aimed at helping human trafficking survivors get back with their lives. So it's not actually a program that she completes, but it is a program that's giving her services to take care of any legal matters she has, as well as housing. She has been sober for nearly 11 months now. She's gone through. What's that?
I say congratulations, Ms. Ware.
Thank you.
Done inpatient for 30 days. She's done outpatient as well. She's currently unemployed and living in a 3-quarter house, but she's hoping she'll be able to get her own residence soon.
All right. So do I need to have her call probation services, or Ms. Duplessis, I need a little assistance on how I make sure that she stays in the program?
I think that would be good for her to call probation, just if they have any resources for her as well. I'm sure they'll offer that up.
Okay. So Ms. Ware, do you have a pen that you can write down this information?
Um,
I'll take it down and send it to her.
You're gonna take it down and send it to you, okay? I'm gonna have you call probation services when we finish. That number is 313 965 3414. And Ms. Ware, your attorney's gonna take it down for you, so don't worry, okay?
all right. you.
I thought you were particularly looking for something. It's okay.
Yeah.
And Ms. Rare, you're not currently employed right now?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. With costs and fees, how would you like me to proceed, Ms. Duplessis?
Your Honor, of course, I would ask for them to be waived if possible, but if that's not possible, for her to have the duration of the 12 months.
I think she has a lot to work on right now, so the court is going to waive those matters, waive her costs and fees at this time and let her focus on getting better. Now, Ms. Ware, I'm doing all of this because everyone's fighting for you so that you can continue on this path that you're on right now. But if you start falling off of the path, then things change as far as us not being able to dismiss it like we need to. And then, you know, it doesn't look good when you don't move forward. And then I waived costs and fines and trying to give you the best look. Okay, Ms. Ware, so I need you to continue on this path. Congratulations on the 11th month. Keep moving forward. I'm going to see you back in a year for a review date, okay, to make sure if at that time you don't have any new tickets and you've completed and you're still working with the Joseph Project, even if you finish, if you successfully completed working and doing the services, then we'll make sure we close this out and dismiss it, okay? Without
Thank
prejudice.
you, Your Honor.
All
Thank
right,
you.
so your return date, you're so welcome, okay? This is tough, so I know it's not easy, okay? But you gotta keep fighting.
I will. Thank you.
All right, we're gonna have you return on Wednesday, October the 19th of 2022, okay? I know
Okay.
that's a week away from now, but
Mhm.
that's a full year like they're requesting. So October 19th of 2022, and I know your attorney will write it down and help make sure that you return back on that
Yeah.
date, okay?
Still texting me the day before.
All right, a little bit further, you have a good day, and thank you so
Thank you.
much. This is for all that you do with this program as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, swear. All right, I see you, Corporal Love. You here on the Adrian Young matter?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, yes, I am.
Okay, I just want to make sure. I do see Miss Young is in one of the rooms. I'm gonna see if we can have her spoken to so that we can find out what's happening, either let you know we're doing it or to get you on your way for the day, okay, Corporal?
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Thank you. I'm putting you back on mute.
Oh, okay.
Hello? Yeah,
Okay, phone number ending 7378. What's your name?
Michael S. Weaver.
Oh, yeah. Okay, Mr. Weaver, I'm going to put you into what's called a breakout room. Nobody's going to be in there with you. It's a way that the attorney can come in there and speak with you. You're going to be in breakout room number 12. That lets you know how many people are in front of you. And I only have one attorney today. So you're going to have to hold tight and he's going to talk to you. We haven't forgotten about you, even if it's a long period of time. We're just moving along with the cases and trying to get people out of here, okay?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, they did last time. And
You say what?
had me on hold on phone for 3 hours on the 27th.
You have more tickets? Let me ask you this. How many more tickets do you have out there? We can try and pull all of them.
Outside of this, no more.
Okay. Our goal is to make you keep coming, but you have tickets out there outstanding. We have to take care of all of them. So we'll make sure.
What happened? I talked to a guy on the 27th, but he never sent my information in. That's why I ended up calling today.
Okay, we'll look into it. I'm gonna assign you to a room now, though. Room number 13.
Okay. All right.
You wanna do those or you want me to still get in?
Okay.
Mr. Weaver, I don't have a file for his ROA fine. You only have 2 kids. Okay, oh, yes. No, she was not. I do have her file.
Shonda's iPhone,
Yes.
Eva.
is this not a good day for you to be in court today?
Yes, I'm supposed to be in court today.
I know, but are you having a tough day today?
Yes.
Okay, we can reschedule this for another day. You want to do that?
No, we don't have to.
Okay, because I'm gonna need you to be engaged when it's time for you to talk to someone and when you're on YouTube Live, because right now it doesn't look real good in the court.
Okay, I'm gonna get myself together.
Okay, if you need another day though, I'm not upset. We can do it for another day. I just.
No, I can do it.
Okay, all right. So Ms. Weaver, I'm gonna put you into what's called a breakout room. Nobody's gonna be in there with you, but it's our way of allowing an attorney to come in there and have a private conversation. We have quite a few people, but we're gonna do a chunk of them right now and get them out the way, and then we'll have them come in there and speak to you. We haven't forgotten about you, even if it feels like it's a long time. It's just a lot of people on board, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Don't put your room 14, okay?
All right.
All right, let me get some folks out. Do you have Ms. Young's offer or no?
Okay, so it's an offer in there, but it's old and it doesn't address all the tickets that's in there. So that's why I put it over there. That's Christopher. That guy with the hat on his photo remove his head. Weaver, Christopher Lamont.
Right.
There you go.
Are we muted now? Mr. Wright? I need you to remove your hat for me, sir.
Put everybody on mute right now.
Hello?
Yes, I'm putting everyone on mute right now. I'm gonna start calling some cases, but I have to get you out of the main, put you back into the main session so that I can call the case.
I opened it until you closed it when I came in.
All right. Mr. Christopher Wright, you can unmute yourself, please.
Okay.
You ready? Yeah. This is the matter of the people versus Christopher Wright. Ticket number P11149651, one count drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling case number 163254152, one count loitering. No, that's not on the docket for today's close. Strike that last thing. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. What's your name for the record, sir?
Christopher Wright.
Your Honor, Mr. Wright wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution to reduce charge of failure to display.
Improper plates. Does he know that? Do you know that you'll be pleading to improper plates, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if so, can you please, and you gotta stop being distracted by whatever you're distracted by, Mr. Wright, okay? I need you to focus just for 5 minutes. That's how long this case is.
Okay, I apologize, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. Raise your right hand, okay? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And Mr. Wright, do you understand that by taking a guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
And understanding all of that, you still want to move forward with your plea today?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Wright, I want to take your attention back to the date of September the 17th of 2020. At that time, were you driving a 2020 Kia in the area of Linden and a paved street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And why? Yes, okay, I understand. And while you were driving that vehicle, did they have improper plates on it because your license wasn't valid at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of improper plate. Mr. Wright, are you currently employed?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
No, if possible, I could really pay that today.
Okay, I don't need you to pay it today though, because it's not gonna be in the computer system. So at least wait until tomorrow. I'm going to give you 30 days then. Is that gonna be enough time to pay this off?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, so it's gonna be due no later than November the 16th of 2021, okay? And if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing, okay? Thank you, Mr. Wright.
Okay, Your Honor, quick question.
Yes, sir.
Because I have another ticket too for you also. I have to come see you again on the 9th of next month.
Mr. Wright, why didn't you tell us you had another ticket?
Well, Your Honor, I know sometimes, you know, I know you guys. Huh?
Is that your only other ticket, Mr. Wright?
I actually have 2 on the same date, same thing, but and then I have 1 for no plates.
Okay. You hold tight for me, Mr. Wright. I'm gonna try and resolve all your matters today.
Okay, I appreciate it, Your Honor. I really.
I know, okay, but that's helpful. I just wish you would tell us at the beginning, so that we can pull all your tickets, okay?
I'm sorry, that's my fault. I thought you guys only had the one ticket at a time. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
No, all right, so just give me a moment. I'll go ahead and do some of these other matters, and then we'll try and figure out if we can get you an offer to take care of all of your tickets, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, okay. Are these all in stickers?
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. The one that you just did just now. And then he got 1 and 2, he paid the no plate, civil infraction, and then that one there.
You don't have any more tickets?
This is it.
All right, Mr. Wright, unmute yourself.
Okay.
Mr. Wright, you paid the civil infraction on that ticket already?
Yes, I paid it
Okay.
yesterday. I paid it yesterday.
All right, calling case number SP 11963-031, 1 count of drove while license suspended against Christopher Wright. Appearances for the record, please, starting with counsel.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant.
And Mr. Wright, can you please state your name?
Christopher Wright.
Mr. Wright, you have informed the court, and we actually looked into the system that there was another ticket with this, a civil infraction. You paid that matter yesterday?
Yes.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to dismiss the drove while license suspended count because you paid for the other civil infraction count on this particular matter. I believe this takes care of all of your tickets, okay, Mr. Wright?
Okay, Your Honor, I appreciate you.
All right. You're so very welcome, okay? But you have the $200, you have to have that paid in 30 days, okay?
Okay, I'll have that taken care of tomorrow.
All right, thank you so much. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you for letting us know, Mr. Wright. You're all set for next month. That took care of next month, Kate. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
She from the afternoon, that's one of the ones I. Do you have it?
No, I just took them down to John.
Okay.
I just took all the office to John. He
Okay.
said he'll be back shortly.
Miss. Oh, yes, Miss Naisha Warwick.
Nashia.
Miss Nashia Warwick, are you able to show your camera?
Yes. One second.
Oh, Miss Warwick, you gotta take your bonnet off. This is court.
I'm sorry.
Not as sorry as YouTube is gonna be when they see it all. You ready? This is the matter of the people versus Naisha Warwick. This is ticket number P11-93359. One count no insurance misdemeanor, one count expired plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for record, ma'am? Your name, please?
Nashia Ward.
Okay, Your Honor, Ms. Ward wishes to accept the offer of prosecution. Should be pleading to expired plates. No insurance charge will be dismissed.
Is that right, Ms. Warwick?
Yes.
If so, can you sit up front, Ms. Warwick? This is court. I know it's real tough. You might want to. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Warwick, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
No, I haven't.
You didn't talk to Mr. Soroki?
No.
No?
Yes, I spoke to her, Your Honor.
Wait, I don't even remember. I think so. Yes. Yes. He did. He did.
Do you need a moment to wake up? I'm gonna give you a moment. I'm gonna come back to you, okay? I'm gonna give you a
No, it's
moment. Nah, I'm gonna give you a moment. Mr. Yelder, I'm gonna call your face now. You ready? You got your good shirt on. I appreciate it. You can unmute yourself, sir.
Hello, yes.
You ready?
Yes.
This is the matter of people versus Devin Yelder. This is ticket number P1137321. One count drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Devon Yoder.
Yes. Yes. Mr. Yoder, you wish to accept the offer of failure to display a reduced charge from driving while license suspended, which is a no point offense. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
All right. If so, Mr. Yelder, could you please raise your right hand? Your right hand, your other right hand.
Sorry.
No problem. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Yelder, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
I didn't speak to him yet.
You didn't speak to Mr. Soroki yet?
No.
No, I did not. That's why I explained to him what the offer was on the record, so he would understand.
All right, I'm sorry, Mr. Yelder. He has to talk to you in private about your case, okay? I thought he had spoken to you. Hold tight. All right. Ms. Lakeisha Wade? Okay, let me have you unmute yourself.
I'm mute. Okay.
Did you talk to the attorney yet?
Yes.
Okay, all right, here we go. You ready? This is the matter of the people versus Lakeisha Wade. This is ticket number 256072. One count, no insurance. Appearances for the record, please.
Alan Shiroki, P374441, appear on behalf of the defendant.
Ms. Wade, can you state your name for the record, please?
Makisha Wade.
Your Honor, Ms. Wade wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution, reduced charge of no insurance, which should be pleading to improper plates.
Is that right, Ms. Wade? You want to take advantage of the offer today?
Yes.
Okay. If so, can you please raise your right hand? You okay?
No, I have a question. I paid the bond on this ticket, so do that count or no?
It will. So as soon as we get to the end of the plea, I'll take care of that with the bond, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, Ms. Wade?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down.
Okay.
Ms. Wade, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this guilty plea today?
Yes.
All right. Ms. Wade, I want to
Excuse
take
me
your...
1 second, Your Honor. Excuse me, ma'am, there is no smoking on Zoom.
Ms. Warren?
Ms. Warren,
It's Ms. Warren.
Ms. Vita Warren?
I removed her. She'll
Okay.
come back.
okay,
All right.
sorry, Your Honor.
It's okay. Ms. Wade, I want to take your attention back. It's crazy this morning. Just bear with me, okay? Just bear with me. The joys of on the porch, okay? And an opportunity. I want to take you back to the date of August the 24th of 2016. At that time, were you driving an 03 Chevy in the area of Dutchess and Casino in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you have improper plates because you didn't have any car insurance?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Soroki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of improper plates on this particular matter. Now, you paid a bond in this matter, Ms. Wade?
Yeah, $250.
I'm actually gonna charge a fine today in the amount of $200, okay? So, sometimes there are reinstatement fees. I don't know if this ticket has any of those, but what will happen is with the bond, it'll take care of all the costs and fees at one time. And so whatever's left, they'll return to you. So if all you owe is the $200 that I'm assessing today, they'll return the remainder to you. If not, they'll keep it and pay off any fines that may go with that, okay?
Okay, so when can I take care of this?
So it takes, usually the bond, it takes a few weeks to kick in. Hopefully it'll kick in a little sooner, but it'll take care of it automatically. You don't have to do anything else.
Okay. Okay.
Are you trying to apply for a license or what?
Yes.
So you probably do have at least, do you have any other outstanding tickets that you know about? Any other fees?
No.
Okay, so I don't know if there's a reinstatement fee on this. Is there a reinstatement fee? It's no insurance. So Ms. Wade. I know, I don't think it's that, child.
I don't think
It's
so.
not.
But anything possible?
Okay.
Yes, it is, actually,
Okay.
because it probably went into warrant status.
Okay,
So yes,
it's a reinstatement?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, 45.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this bond is gonna take care of everything. You just have to wait for it all to process it. And then once it processes everything on it, then you'll be able to make that appointment with the Secretary of State's office. So now it's just the whole tight game. You can always pay, and then it'll go faster if you do that, but then, and they'll send you your bond money later, so that's an option too. But if you just want the bond to apply, it's just gonna take a couple of weeks, and then you'll be able to have clearance to do and apply for your license, okay?
Okay, so when would I get clearance?
So I would check back, next week. You can go online and pull up your name and see if it's cleared everything. And then I would just kind of check every day, and they'll send notice off to the Secretary of State's office, letting them know that you're all set, and then you can apply to make that. But you might want to go online and make the appointment now, because I don't know how backed up. So that way you can try and start getting that in order.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what I told her too. And you can always pay it if you want. Like if you want to get it taken care of right now, you can pay it. And then once you pay it, it'll clear up. Like
Okay, the $200 you said?
yeah, and they'll return any bond money if you pay it. If you come down here tomorrow or you go online tomorrow, pay the money and clear up all the costs, it will send the clearance tomorrow.
Oh, okay, okay.
Your bond money back, okay? You can do it that way too.
Okay, I'll do it that way.
Okay, and I'll still put applied bond just in case something goes astray, and then you'll, either way, okay, Ms. Wade?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Can I hang up or what?
You can hang up. Yep, you're all set, okay?
Okay,
right.
thank you.
No problem. Mr. Yelder, can you go back to the breakout room it's asking you to go to? I know who she is. She's doing an awful lot of talking. That's why I let her be.
Hello?
Hello? Yeah.
Yeah, the guy never came in the breakout room.
And what we talked about? We talked about that it was going to be a while and that I didn't forget about you. And then I said I would not forget about you. Didn't I say that? I said I wouldn't forget about you, but that we're handling matters and that it's a lot of matters. Do you need another day, sir? We can reschedule.
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to reschedule it to.
Yeah, first they give me the wrong Zoom number, then they got me in breakout room forever. I mean, yeah.
I'm welcome to court. It's just a whole lot. So I'm going to reschedule this to November the 30th, 2021. I think that's my next day. I can have matters on. No, that's far enough. All right. So what's this matter? What's this case number?
What's his name?
I don't know. He signed off and signed back on.
What's your name, sir?
Aswan Young.
Oh, and he has bench warrants. You don't want to be arraigned on your bench warrants? That's fine. We'll just bring it on another day.
What you mean bench warrants? I paid all my tickets.
For pre-trial.
You ready for pre-trial?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
schedule pre-trial. All right. Yeah, a whole lot. Okay, all right.
Did I give you his charger?
No, you
Oh,
didn't.
here it is.
No, Mr. Sign, you gonna have to hold tight. You have way too many tickets. I can't in good conscience let you sign off today. You need to hold tight. So I'm gonna put you into a breakout room. You need to hold tight. He may have, no, he can't believe it. You have quite a few tickets, Mr. Young, and I think we should handle these.
What you
today.
mean? I paid the bond on the tickets. What are you talking about?
Oh, wait a minute.
Hold on, sir.
It's okay. It's all right. Mr. Young, I have on the docket today 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tickets, okay?
Nah, I got 7 tickets and all the bonds is paid. That's wrong.
Okay, sorry, 7 tickets, not 8.
That's 8.
And all that stuff is 20, 15 years old. I'm 40 years old now.
So, Mr. Young, when you commit crimes, they just go away after a few years?
Ma'am, I'm not that type of dude. That don't, you see my rap sheet. That don't rattle me at all.
You said it as if I was just supposed to.
I ain't one of these little niggas in the courtroom with you.
Okay, Mr. Young, you got to refrain from that cussing, sir.
Mr.
Or
Young,
we can just get
I
another
haven't
day.
disrespected you in any type of way at this point in
Yeah,
time.
but you talking like I don't know what you talking.
Mr. Young, I haven't said anything disrespectful to you right now. I just want you to handle all your matters because you have a lot of them sitting out there. And I don't want them to just sit out there. Now, I know you may be offended by whatever reason or whatever way, and I don't want you to be that way. So I'm just giving you the chance to take care of all of this today so that you don't have to come back. That's the point. We don't want you to keep coming back and keep coming back and keep coming back. If you pay for something, then we'll be able to figure all of that out. But you got to just take the time to handle it. and get it out the way so that you don't have to deal with it anymore. Okay? I know, I'm using him more. Okay? So you can, I'm gonna put you back into a breakout room, so that way somebody can come in there and talk to you. We are still holding court and still doing stuff on today, but it's just taking a moment. You just gotta be patient so that we can handle everything. I know you signed into the wrong court this morning, it's frustrating. We have like 15, 20 people on today. It's just a lot, and I wish y'all could physically come into the court so that you could be able to see like everybody who's on there, and I only have one attorney. And so when I take time out to talk to you like this, we're ended up doing this and not having the ability to be able to do anything, okay? So just hold tight. I promise we're gonna get through your tickets. And so do you have like a medical thing that you need to do today that you need to reschedule for? You can unmute yourself now. You see, I'm asking you to unmute.
Pardon?
Okay, you have something medical that you need to take care of today?
Yes.
Okay, okay. I can't reschedule you then if you have something medical you need to take care of. But just be ready to wait, okay? Because we can't get rid of anything. And sometimes I have a light day and it's not a lot of people on, but sometimes I have a really heavy docket and it's just a lot of people online, okay, Mr. Young?
I understand that.
All right, Mr. Young. So November the 30th, I'm just gonna call the matter. I'm not gonna call all his tickets. This is the matter of the people versus Assan. Is it Assan?
Aswan means the king.
Aswan Young.
Yep.
You act like a king, okay, king? And if I'm a queen, because you're a king, then you act like it, right?
Yep.
Okay, all right. This is the people versus Aswan Young, and all his tickets and matter are on the docket for today. He has a medical issue that he needs to concern himself with, so we're gonna adjourn this matter and reschedule it for November the 30th. I'm gonna make it at 8:35. Well, I'm gonna make it at 9 a.m., okay? November 30th at 9 a.m. Be okay with waiting, so make sure you clear whatever you have to do that day. In the morning time, we'll try and get you in, but like I said, sometimes the dockets are a little heavier, okay?
Is it the same Zoom number?
It's the same Zoom number. You got the right one now? It's the 360-337-0000. That's my courtroom, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal for all of your matters, okay?
Okay.
All right, and then we'll handle it then, but be ready, okay?
I'll be ready.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you, Mr. Young.
You're welcome.
All right, have a good day.
Yeah.
All right. I see you, Corporal Love. I'm trying to get you out. All right. Yep. Yeah, we can.
Has everyone spoken to the attorney before we go forward? That's on the screen right now, except for you, Corporal Love, we know your situation. Just shake your head up. Okay, Ms. Warren, yes. Ms. Wiley, did you speak to an attorney? Okay. Oh yeah, we know.
Ms. Warwick, you spoke to the attorney as well, right?
Yes, I'm sorry. Yes, I did.
Okay, no, you're fine. I know. I'm gonna call you in a moment, okay? Just hold tight, Ms. Warwick. I'm getting Ms. Warren out of here. Ms. Warren, you were doing a lot of talking. That's why I skipped over you.
You gotta unmute yourself, Ms. Warren.
Oh, I'm sorry. I muted you by accident. Unmute yourself. Accidentally muted you, Ms. Warren. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we're gonna call your matter next, okay? This is the matter of the people versus Vita Warren. This is ticket number 318151. One count of no operator's license on person. Also calling ticket number 490389. One count drove while license suspended. One count operating uninsured motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Alan Strokey, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Vita Camille Warren.
Yes. Your Honor, Ms. Warren wishes to accept the offer of prosecution. She'll be pleading to improper
content.
plates,
I'm sorry.
improper plates, which is a reduction from the no insurance misdemeanor. The other two charges will be dismissed.
Okay. She spoke and said something. Is she requesting no contact?
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay, all right. If so, you want to take advantage of that offer?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward with your plea today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of October the 29th of 2018. At that time, were you driving an 07 Chevy vehicle in the area of Southfield Service Drive and Puritan Streets in the city of Detroit?
My memory is vague, but obviously yes. I can't remember very well. I went through some traumas. I lost my son in 2019, not to keep the court. So I don't remember everything, but I'm pretty sure it was obviously me. So I'm trying to clear up my life a little bit now and get whatever tickets that's in my name taken care of.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry about the loss of your son, man.
Thank you.
All right. And Mr. Soroka, will you just stipulate that the area was Southfield Service Drive and Puritan Street?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And while you were driving that vehicle, was it, did you have improper plates because it wasn't insured at the time?
I don't remember having improper plates, but I do know it wasn't insured.
Okay. All right. So when you don't have any car insurance, it makes your plates not valid, just so you
Okay.
know.
I didn't know. Okay.
Yeah. Saying it's better for Secretary of State's office. That's why we need improper plates. Satisfied,
Yes,
Attorney
ma'am.
Soroka?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And is there a stipulation for probable cause on the counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates and dismiss the remaining count on that ticket driving while license suspended and dismiss ticket number 318151. Okay? Ms. Warren,
Your
are you
Honor.
currently?
Your Honor, Ms. Warren indicates she has a $700 plus bond on these three tickets.
Okay, I'm gonna assess a fine today and the amount was $200, okay?
Yes,
So I'm
ma'am.
going to apply the bond. If you have any other outstanding fees and costs, it'll take care of it with that bond, and then you'll be able to apply and get everything back on track. Now, it takes a couple of weeks, so just be patient, and then you'll be able to like start applying, and it'll give you clearance to be able, because it'll take care of every fee that's out there, okay?
Okay, so you're saying whatever's left, they'll contact me or I contact them?
They'll send it back, so whatever it pays, it's gonna take care of it. If you have like some civil infractions that went into default, sometimes it'll take care of that. But if you don't, and these are your only tickets, it'll take care of that and send you back the remaining amount of money minus Secretary of State fees, okay?
Okay, and I can also get my license back, get my license now?
So then you can apply after we send clearance. So you just gotta wait and be patient until all of this clears, and then you can check back. I would start checking back next week, midweek maybe, and see if it started to clear anything. Go on the 36 District Court website, put in your name, and see if it started, if you don't have any other fees. And hopefully it'll be, then you can apply to get to the Secretary of State office and try and get your license back, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yeah, and I want to thank you and I want to commend you that you are awesome because I've seen other cases and you did very well. So you most definitely picked the right career.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
I had to say something. Nobody has a lot of patience like that. You did very well. Thank you, and you have an awesome day.
You too. Thank you so much, Miss Warren, okay?
Okay, take care.
All right, you too.
Bye-bye.
All right, Miss Wiley. Did I say your name right, Carrington Wiley? All right, I think you're unmuted now. Just say one thing so I can make sure I can hear you. Ooh, I can't hear you. Can you try and turn up your volume a little bit? You're unmuted.
Yeah, yes.
Oh,
Can you hear me?
okay. I can hear you now. Yes.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Yes.
This is the matter versus Carrington Wiley. This is ticket number P11356669. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling case number P11356692. One count failed to stop for stop sign. Appearances for the record, please, starting with counsel.
Alan Soroki, P374441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Carrington Wiley.
Yes. Your Honor, today's the date and time set for trial and formal hearing. Did Officer Jarrett Kearns check in?
Check and see. No, he did not.
Did not. At this time, defense moves to dismiss these two matters.
At this time, it is 9:56 a.m. No officers have shown, so I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Okay, Ms. Wiley, what that means is that the officers did not show. They can always refile it if they want to, but as of today, these matters are dismissed, okay?
Okay. Is it possible for me to tell you something? I have received a default judgment, and I want to make sure that somewhere in the last court appearance, they put in a default judgment for the civil infraction, the failure to stop sign.
Okay, I was about to say it was on this failure to stop sign.
Yes, and it's a ticket for 170.
Okay, I'm going to, because I have it on my docket today for a formal hearing, so it should be a default judgment entered into it. You don't have any other outstanding tickets, Ms. Wiley?
No, the case number on this ticket is SP 1135691. I just want to make sure that this isn't going to be held against me in any way.
Absolutely, I appreciate that. No, let me make sure we're checking right now.
Okay.
Oh, no, that's not her, that's not her, that's not her. That's cool. And then just these two here.
Okay, we're gonna make sure, I'm going to close them out, okay, Ms. Wiley? Okay. But I'm gonna dismiss them without prejudice, and we'll make sure it shouldn't be any default judgment. So in the next couple of days, check back, look up your name, and make sure it's not. If it is, I'm gonna give you a courtroom number. Can you take it down?
Yep, sure can. Go ahead.
313
313
965
965
2293.
2293. I did call, I did speak with someone over the phone, and they told me that it was an error.
Yes, it should have been an error because they were both set on my docket today for this.
Okay. Well, all right. Is there nothing further?
No, there's nothing further, and it's actually notated in the system that it was an error, so you shouldn't have any issues, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
All right.
And Miss Warwick, can you show yourself, please? Yes, Miss Warwick.
I'm sorry.
You ready? Listen, sometimes we just keep moving, okay? That's why I was like, let her sit up for a moment, because I know, but I understand, okay? All right.
Okay.
Thank you. You came back with a smile on your face too, but not an attitude, so I appreciate that. That goes a long way, okay? You ready? This is the matter of people versus Nasha Warwick. Nasha,
it's okay.
Nasha Warwick. Ticket number P11933359. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. One count, expired plates. Appearances for the record, sir, from counsel, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Nasha Warwick.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor, Ms. Warwick, wishes to accept the offer of prosecution's matter should be pleading to expired plate, and the no insurance charge will be dismissed.
Is that right? That's how you want to see? All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Ward, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking a guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of April the 27th of 2021. Were you in the area of Greenfield and Davidson in the city of Detroit driving a 2014 GMC vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you have expired plates?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Soroki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the count to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to accept the plea to expired plates and dismiss the misdemeanor in this particular matter. Ms. Warwick, this is a civil infraction, so it has a set price you have to pay, which is $145.
Okay.
That is due in 14 days. I can't do anything about that. If you don't pay it in 14 days, fees will be added and tacked onto it. Are you gonna have issues paying that in 14 days and $145?
No.
Okay, all right. You can pay it online, or you can physically come down to pay it at court. It looks like you're at school though. Am I correct?
Yes, I am.
I thought you were in the room. Okay, so you just need to have that paid. Pay it online, okay?
Okay. Can I please have that ticket number again? Because I was never given a ticket. I was just given like a card so I can go online and pay it.
It's SP
Mm-hmm.
11
Mm-hmm.
933
Mm-hmm.
59.
Okay.
Okay, but if you put your name in as well, it'll pull it up as well, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing, okay? Good luck with school this semester, okay?
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
All right, you too, thank you. Yeah, Corporal, I'm going to put you into a room with Mr. Soroki and see if we can work out your matter. If that works for you, okay. All right. See what we can come up with.
Okay. You can say the same thing.
Yeah, like, okay.
You supposed to cover your courtroom?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, she's ready.
I was just gonna offer you some water since I was over this way. Hey, Judge. I said I was gonna offer you some water since I was over this way, since you've done me the favor.
I will when I come back.
But I'll be over there then. Oh, Lord.
Good morning.
Good morning, John. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing today?
Doing well, thanks.
Hey, good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Uh-oh, on target.
It's okay. Thank you, John.
You're welcome. How you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good.
Other than that, I just got a big file I had to deal with, but
I know.
almost like yesterday.
Yeah, it's been a little rough. So yeah, the officer is here on this Adrian Young. They just went in to talk to each other.
Oh, okay.
With house counsel.
Mm-hmm.
Work out something.
Yeah. She's the one, I think. Most of her tickets were state tickets, actually, so.
Judge?
No, she stepped out.
Okay. Adrian Young has not appeared yet. Is that correct?
She is here.
Oh, she is here. Okay, because, all right, we're going to need an offer on Adrian Young, so I can talk to Miss Young and then talk to the police, talk to the police officer, because I didn't know if Adrian Young was here or not. But, yeah, so we can settle this, see if we settle this before trial or not.
Okay, I'm looking to see what she got on the docket. Hold on. I don't see her name. I saw her. Hold on. Oh, here it is. Okay. So I got to get an offer from the state because it's mostly state tickets. There's only one that's a city ticket, and that's the ticket that's the 10 508-155. They're dismissing that because of the age. The rest of her tickets are state matters, so I'll have to get an offer from the state. I'll do that in a second.
Which one are they dismissing? The 10, is that the 105-081?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
that one.
so we need an offer on the rest. Okay. All right, I'll go back into the breakout room, or you can pull a police officer back out if you like and let her know that the defendant's here. I mean, I don't know what to talk to the officer about right now.
Okay.
That's
So, Jack, can you look at this? Somebody, I mean, he offered trade to display, but I thought maybe, I think you usually do improper plates. I don't want to assume on that one. Okay, Mr. Soroki, let me give you the rest of these offers real quick.
okay, very good.
Okay, so Kavon Williams.
Okay, Kavon Williams. Kavon, how do you spell that?
He's on there. He's under, where did I see this? He's under 835. He has two tickets.
Yeah, I see him. Okay.
Okay, so the 18 ticket, 185000276, count 1, improper plate.
Right.
Yep,
Okay.
the other one is gonna be dismissed.
Okay, very good.
I didn't get it. Oh, sorry, John, I need an offer on this one, sorry. Okay, so LaShonda Weaver, ticket ended in 130, sorry, count 1, improper plates, count 2 is dismissed.
Count 1 is improper plate.
I can't hear you, Mr. Soroki.
Count 1 is improper plates. Count 2 is dismissed.
Oh, wait, she has a more than that. Oh, Jesus. Hold on. Okay, are these state or something? No, these didn't get addressed. 13001. 1. Oh, yeah, these didn't get addressed.
Okay.
Hold on. Take a look at that one. Yes, please. Okay, so Divine Yelder, his is improper plates.
All right. Yeah, okay, that's improper. I think we already heard his case.
No, we didn't. He hadn't talked to you. Remember, we had to put him back in the breakout room.
Okay, very good.
Okay, Michael Weaver. He only has 2 counts. Count 3 is being amended to improper plates. Count 2 is being dismissed.
Okay. I got it.
Okay, Asha Webb, she's from this afternoon. She's pleading to 2 tickets.
All right.
SP 1190431, count 1 is being amended to blockading.
Okay.
And the SP 1190440, count 2 is just plead responsible and dismissing the rest.
Okay. All right, I got it.
Okay, so LaShonda Weaver, let's see. SP 1207001, count 3, plead guilty.
Okay, LaShonda Weaver, count 3, plead guilty.
Plead guilty. Count 2 of that, of a different ticket. SP 1067130, count 2, amending that to blockading. All else are being dismissed.
Okay, I see account 2, I see SP 127001 count 2, which you said dismissal before.
Okay, hold on, Mr. Soroki. SP 1207011. Oh, wait. Okay, wait. 7. No. SP 1207001, count 3.
Count 3, I got that as a plea.
Yep, that's a plea. SP 106713. It should be 01.
Okay. All right. I got that. What's that?
Wait a minute. Is that a 73?
It should be dismissal.
Yeah, it's count 2. Why ain't it on
I don't
there?
see it. No count. The count 2 on there is dismissed. No insurance. Don't you
Right. Let me look and see if that is, because it's on the ticket. We have the actual ticket. That's why he did that. Hold on. 1067131. Okay, so count 2. Okay, we got to redo this one again, John.
Okay.
Count 2 is closed on this civil infraction that you were having her plead to.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Did we get a re-offer on? Oh, Corporal, I got to get an offer from the state on your defendant and see what we can do. But they're dismissing that that 10 ticket. But the rest of her matters, I have to get an offer from the state. That's what I got to do. I didn't forget about you.
Okay, well, I'm only here for that one ticket. I don't have
Which
anything
one?
for the 2010 ticket.
Oh, okay. I thought you were here for all of them.
No, I'm just here for the 2010 ticket.
Okay, well, that one is being dismissed. Oh, I see your name now just by the one. So the rest of the officers didn't show.
Okay.
So are you good with the dismissal?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I don't, the judge ran next door to do another document. She'll be right back and we'll do your case soon as she comes back.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Okay, Mr. Soroki, Demario Williams.
Okay.
He has a Z ticket that's being amended to OWVI.
Okay, 1 second.
I can't hear you, sir.
All right. Okay, I see it. You got a OWI City. Okay. And it's OWVI.
Yes.
Okay.
And then the other 2 tickets are being dismissed. All right, so LaShonda Weaver, the only thing we're doing is SP 1207001 count 3.
Right.
Just plead guilty and dismissing the rest. Just like I told you, it didn't change. We just took out that count 2 because that one was closed. Everything else stays the same.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I just have to find it again real quick, man.
You can go talk to yeah, I gotta put this yellow guy.
So we got improper driving rate. 001 is improper plates. 001 count 2 is dismissed. 001 count 3 is plea. 013 count 1 is dismissed. And what else?
SP 1207001 and 2 are dismissed.
1 and 2 are dismissed. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it. So we have 2 with one plea and 3 dismissals.
Correct.
Okay, got it. Okay.
All right. All right. Let me put you in with these people so we can get crack-a-lack. Where did he go? Where are you? There you. I'll put you in with him.
Review and swim says one safety.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
He has 3 on the dot. Oh, that's the one we need the offer on for the state. The rest of these must be closed. Oh, I see. It's in one step. Okay. Let me send this over to her.
All right, who's next?
Next is, did I give you Asha Webb? Okay, let me give you her. Did I give you Michael Weaver? John, by chance?
Yeah.
Oh, I got it. I got
Okay.
it. It fell. I got him.
All right.
There's a lot. On to Adrian next. Okay,
Okay,
let me. So I can put you in with Adrian Young. They're gonna dismiss that 10 ticket. The officers did not show for the others.
okay, very good.
Corporal, I'm just waiting for the judge to come back from, doing that other courtroom.
Okay,
All right,
one second.
Ms. Young, I just need you to stay on mute until the judge is ready for your case, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. Okay.
Okay, ready to go.
Hold on, I'm trying to find you the next person.
No problem. Okay, join again.
Hey, how you doing?
All right, how's it going?
Pretty good.
Great.
Oh, shoot. Who's that?
All right.
Okay, put you in with Michael Weaver. He's still talking to people, but we already with Corporal Love, because there's a Smith in her particular case that she's on, and there were no officers for the other one, so it's all dismissed with her.
Oh, Miss Elson said she come over and help me.
Oh, cool.
Outside. How are we doing? Okay.
No, ma'am.
All right, apparently I've been told that we're doing okay. So y'all.
You sure?
Yeah, he only got one person.
Okay.
People. That's it.
I didn't know when I left.
Yeah,
I understand.
It was crazy. It was crazy.
Yeah, I appreciate y'all though. Thank y'all so much.
Not a problem.
Anytime.
Aw, I'll see y'all later.
Thanks, Judge.
Bye. Thank you.
But we good.
Miss Young, did you need to sign? Miss Corporal Love, did you need to sign on?
I didn't know if you want to dismissal.
Okay.
So,
Do you want to be here for the dismissal or no?
No, I'm good.
All right, I'll see you later.
I wasn't
All right,
sure.
take care.
Sorry about that. I wasn't sure.
All right, no problem.
Have a good day. Be safe.
Yeah, thank you.
I didn't know if you wanted to.
No, I appreciate that.
Okay, I've talked to everybody except Cornelius Williams.
Oh, sorry. I just sent you his offer.
I see his offer. None of these tickets are on his on the docket sheet. And ticket.
If you let me talk, Mr. Soroki.
Okay.
Thank you. There are the ones that's on the docket are the state tickets. The other tickets that's in his file are in warrant status, and the judge takes care of all their tickets when they show up. So that's why you see those other tickets on that offer.
Okay.
Okay. Did you talk to LaShonda Weaver? No, ma'am. Oh, no.
Oh, I know. I should have had you set there, but that's okay.
I can't hear you, Mr. Soroki.
No.
You're- Oh,
I did
okay.
I did not speak to LaShonda Weaver.
Okay. Let me put you in with her and then Cornelius. Thank you.
I would have got that for you.
I know you would have.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And Cornelius, and then we're done.
Okay, I'm ready. Thank you.
Thanks. All right, Judge, he's talking to the last person right now. So, whenever you're ready. And he comes back. She, it's 10. Yes. They were just set for trial and the officers didn't show. Tried to put them in the order that they were in there, but I don't know. Okay.
Hello?
Yes, Mr. Soroki.
Yeah, Cornelius Williams somehow is at the end of explaining his matters to him and his phone shut off. I think he was on a phone. It looked like he was at work.
Okay, hopefully he'll come back.
Okay.
Okay, if I'm muting you.
Hello?
Hello?
All right, everyone. I can hear you. I'm going to mute you until it's time for me to call your matter, okay? Mr.
Okay.
Weaver, you can press
Yes, ma'am.
6 on your phone. That's how you mute yourself. *6.
Okay.
All right. Ms. Young, I'm gonna call your matter first. You ready? These are the matters of People versus Adrian Young. Ticket number 10508-155. One count passenger over intoxicant in vehicle. Also calling case number SE275708, count 1, drove while license suspended. Case number SP377062, one count of supply false information and or ID to a police officer. Case number SP377061, one count drove while license suspended. And ticket number, or case number 094573441, one count minor in possession of alcohol.
Alan Stroke, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Adrian Young.
Yes. Your Honor, we move to dismiss all these matters. Open alcohol ticket that's being dismissed for age. The remaining matters
You can't
being
hear what you're
dismissed.
saying, Mr. Rowe. You gotta move into there we go.
Yes, Your Honor, we're moving to dismiss all matters. So the open alcohol tickets being dismissed for age, and the remaining tickets being dismissed for because police officers have not appeared for trial.
At this time, the court is going to dismiss the ticket number 10508-155 because of the age of ticket. The remaining tickets, it is now 10:37 a.m. No police officers have checked in on this matter, so the court is going to dismiss them without prejudice. Ms. Young, let me take heed to this. 2 of these tickets are alcohol-related offenses, and they deal with vehicles. It's not necessarily you driving, but you have an alcohol in the vehicle. I would caution you greatly towards not doing that, because any offenses that you commit at this point in time, they'll come before me, and I'll remember, okay? Ms. Young,
Okay.
you mind?
Yes.
Okay, if there's nothing further, just conclude these hearings for today, okay? You're all set, Ms. Young.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Yelder, you can unmute yourself.
Yes.
Right. This is the matter, we're calling the matter of the People versus Devin Yelder. This is ticket number P11373321. One count drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Alan Stroke, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Devon Yelder.
Yes. Your Honor, Mr. Yelder wishes to accept the offer of a reduced charge, plead guilty to reduced charge of improper plates.
Is that right, Mr. Yelder?
Yes.
All right, so can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Yelder, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Yelder, I want to take your attention back to the date of December the 7th of 2020. Were you driving at the time a 2016 Dodge vehicle in the area of Harper and Cadue in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you have improper plates because your driver's license was suspended at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Soroki?
Satisfied.
The court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of improper plates. Mr. Yelder, are you currently working?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
I can pay it in 30 days.
All right, I'm going to have it due no later than November the 16th of 2021, okay?
Okay.
All right, and thank you so much for dressing for court today. I appreciate you having that nice collared shirt on.
You're welcome.
All right, thank you. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.
Okay.
I put him in. Michael Weaver? No, Michael Weaver. I put the wrong one in. I need him out. I'm supposed to put Cornelius Weaver. You know, sorry on that. Okay.
Michael Weaver?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna call your man. You ready? These are the matters of the people versus Michael Weaver.
Uh-huh.
This is ticket number, or case number SP 9358022. One count of junk peddler, failure to obtain license, scrap violation. Also calling case number SP 9358023. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
Defendant, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yeah, Michael S. Weaver.
Yes. Your Honor, Mr. Weaver wishes to accept the offer of prosecution. He'll be pleading to improper plates, and the junk peddling license ticket will be dismissed.
Is that your understanding today, sir?
That's right.
All right, if so, can you please raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am. I got it raised.
All right, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
So help me God, I do.
Right, thank you, Mr. Weaver. You can put your hand down now.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Weaver, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yeah, I did. I didn't speak to him. I left a note for him. You telling about the case today.
Okay, you talked about that case today. And you
Yeah.
understand, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
The guy said, plead guilty to one of them tickets, and I sum up the money to pay it.
Okay. And so, but did anybody beyond him telling you that you're gonna plead to one of the tickets gonna be dismissed? Did anybody threaten you or any way, or tell you or force you to plead?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you're pleading guilty by your own, because you want to, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm trying to get a job.
Okay. And do you understand that are you pleading guilty because you are guilty of this offense?
Yeah, one of them will be dropped now. I plead guilty to the other one. Yeah.
That's right. So you're gonna plead guilty to one of them though. So you did one of these, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And do you understand that by taking this plea today, you're gonna give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with the plea today?
Say that again.
I said, understanding that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. I'm going to draw your attention, sir, back to the date of October the 8th of 2018. Were you in the area of, let's see, Strong and Foster Streets in the city of Detroit driving a 1996 Chevy vehicle?
Yeah, 96, yeah.
Okay. And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have any insurance on the vehicle?
I think it went out the day before. The insurance had expired the day before, something like that.
All right, so you didn't have proper insurance on it, correct?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Satisfied, Attorney Soroki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And the court is satisfied as well, and will make this a plea to the amended charge of improper plates. Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the count to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to dismiss the remaining count in this particular matter. Mr. Weaver, are you currently working?
I'm not working here. I'm trying to get a job.
Okay. How close are you to getting employment?
I was a couple weeks away until I got held up on this. Because my other court case on the 27th of August. That's almost 2 months now.
Oh, okay, so you had to wait on this particular matter, sir? Okay, I'm gonna waive your costs and fees today, but you may have some, Secretary of State costs that you need to pay in order to get your license, because I'm imagining your holdup is that you can't get your license, sir?
I gotta go see them get my license straight.
Okay. So now you need to pay those Secretary of State fees to be able to clear out your license, but if you do that, you should be able to hopefully apply for this job and get this job, okay?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing, okay?
How much I gotta pay?
You just gotta pay your Secretary of State fees, okay? I waived your costs right now.
Oh, okay. I had to go to Secretary of State and find out.
No, you can go on 36districtcourt.org and find out how much you pay for those. And they send a clearance saying that, you paid those fines, but I will wait until tomorrow so you can make sure that this matter has been uploaded into the computer system.
Okay, I had to go down there and find out.
Yes. Or you can go online, 36 district. Yes, come down here and find out tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Good day.
All right.
All right, Ms. Weaver, I'm gonna call your matter next, okay? LaShonda?
Okay.
This is the matter of the people versus LaShonda Weaver. This is ticket number P1207001. One count drove while license suspended, one count no insurance misdemeanor, one count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Also calling case number or ticket number P1067130. One count drive while license suspended, one count disregard signal red or amber. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Okay. Alan Strokey, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
And Ms. Weaver, can you state your name for the record, please?
LaShonda Weaver.
Yes. Your Honor, Ms. Weaver wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution. She'll be pleading guilty to unregistered, untitled vehicle. The remaining 3 counts will be dismissed.
Is that right?
Yes.
All right. If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, put your hand down, Ms. Weaver. Ms. Weaver, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yeah.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yeah.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yeah.
And do you understand that by taking a guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 31st of 2021. Were you in the area of Plymouth and Stout Streets in the city of Detroit driving a 2003 Pontiac vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was it unregistered or untitled at the time?
Yes, I had got it around that time. I just got the vehicle.
Satisfied, Attorney Thoreau?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And is there a stipulation for probable cause on the counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to dismiss the remaining matters on this ticket ending in 001, as well as the ticket P ending in 130 in its entirety. Ms. Weaver, are you currently employed?
No.
When was the last time
No,
you were employed? When was the last time you were employed?
What was that? July. Taco Bell.
All right, I'm gonna assess community service in lieu of costs and fines today. I'm gonna assess 25 hours of community service. Okay. I'm gonna have it due no later than January the 18th, 2022. I'm gonna give you a phone number to take down. You need to call them and set up, and just so you get them, let you know exactly what qualifies as community service. Are you ready to take down the number?
Yeah.
Okay, it's 313
Mm-hmm.
965
Uh-huh.
8130.
Okay, I got it.
All right, and you're gonna talk to Ms. Green. She's gonna let you know what qualifies as community service. I need you to log back in on that date of January 18th, 2022. And as long as you've completed your community service, you'll be all set, okay?
How many hours you say?
I said 25 hours,
Oh, okay.
okay?
All right.
Costs and fees, okay? You don't have employment right now.
All right.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. You're all set. Kevon Williams?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Williams, I'm gonna need you to stop moving, sir.
Oh, sorry.
All right, you ready? Thank you. This is the matter of People versus Kevon Williams. This is ticket number 500276, one count no insurance. Also call it ticket number P1011929, one count drove while license not valid, improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
And Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Kayvon Williams.
How
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Williams wishes to accept the offer of prosecution.
Is that right, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
Okay,
To
I
be
don't know what
pleaded guilty to improper plates and dismissing the remaining counts.
Okay. Mr. Williams, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking the guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of December the 4th of 2018. Were you in the area of East Davidson and Bloom Streets in the city of Detroit driving a 2006 Pontiac vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have improper plates on it because you had no insurance at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, Attorney Soroki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And is there a stipulation for probable cause on the count to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to accept the plea to the amended charge of improper plates and dismiss the remaining count or dismiss the remaining ticket ending in 929. Mr. Williams, it looks like you're employed, so I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30.
All right, I'm gonna have it due no later than November the 16th of 2021, okay?
Okay. I'm sorry. Quick question.
It's okay.
Permission to ask a question?
Yes, you can. Go ahead, ask the question, Mr. Williams.
Okay. The bond, does any of the bond money cover that by any chance or no?
It does. I was gonna say, you would like me to apply your bond?
Yes, please.
Okay, I will. It takes just a little bit longer, so if you can be patient and wait for it all to clear, but I'm pretty sure you posted a higher bond than what I charged today. And they'll return
Yes.
whatever over after they pay all the fees out there, okay?
Okay. Is there a refund like for the remaining, like the remainder by any chance or
Yes,
no?
so what happens is any outstanding fees, if you have like any, cases that went to default, any Secretary of State fees, they'll pay everything. And if you have remaining money, they'll send it to whatever address you gave them to post the bond, okay?
Okay, cool. Okay.
All right. And so that'll take care of it. Just give it a couple of weeks, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. You all have a great day.
You too. Thank you. All right. Demario Williams?
Yes,
All right. Are you able to show your picture?
I'm out. I didn't hear you.
I said, are you able to show your picture? I'm sorry. Your camera, turn on your camera.
Okay. It's how you. I'm trying to see how you turn it on.
There should be a video camera on it. At the bottom of the screen, looks like, there you go. All right.
All right, Mr. Williams, I do need you to remove your hat for me.
Yes.
Thank
You ready? This is the people, these are the matters of the people versus Demario Williams. Case number SP 1053415, count 1, operating while intoxicated, repeat offender. Count 2, driving while license suspended, repeat offender. Also calling Z ticket 8066311, 1 count of operating while intoxicated, first offender. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Williams, please state your name for the record.
Delmario Williams.
Your Honor, Mr. Williams wishes to continue his not guilty plea in this matter and set the matters for trial.
Can you please raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down, sir. You have gum in your mouth, sir. Can you please remove the gum? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you have, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a trial in this matter. Do you want that to be a bench trial or jury trial?
Jury.
Okay. All right, so just so you know that we're not having jury trials in our building right now. I don't know when they will resume, but we can always try and set it for one and see what happens, okay?
Okay.
All right. What are the stipulations of your bond right now?
Not driving or drinking while driving, rather.
Not drinking in general?
No, they
Are you
never
testing
said
at all?
that. Huh?
Are you testing at all?
No, ma'am.
I'm trying to figure out why you're a repeat offender.
That's what I asked on the last court date, because a few court dates back, before I had a court date in August, they told me to call down to the clerk's office, and I talked to the clerk. Both tickets that they have for drinking or OWIs, it's the same case numbers for the same day. Like, how is I'm facing 2 charges of the same thing for the same case?
Well, it's 2 different tickets and it's at 2 different times. Did they let you go the first day?
No, I've never been pulled over for drinking and driving until January, where I just caught this case, supposedly.
Okay. All right, so how many days do I need for? Okay, so it is no drinking while this case is pending, just so you know, okay? No drinking, even if you're not driving, no drugs, no illegal drugs, no drinking at all during the pending of this matter.
Okay.
Let me see. Want a jury trial. We can aim for.
No, yeah, you already know.
Are you testing at all? Are you dropping at all?
No, ma'am.
February 7th. February 14th. That's not a holiday, right? No, the holiday is the 21st. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that was President's Day.
All right, we're gonna set this matter for a jury trial. We're gonna attempt to set it for a jury trial on February the 14th, 22. The conditions of your bond are going to continue. No drinking at all, especially no drinking and driving. And hopefully we can have it. So what's gonna happen is that you're going to have a final pretrial that Friday before? Friday before?
The Friday.
Is the Friday before, yes.
The Friday before, so at that point in time, I'll know whether or not we can have jurors in the building. If not, we'll set it for another day further down the line. And hopefully at some point in time, we'll be able to have jurors in the building for these type of matters. So we're gonna set it for February 14th. The terms and conditions of your bond are continuing at this point in time. And we'll see you for a pre-trial that Friday before. You'll get notice in the mail though. So you'll get some notice about this particular matter because of the type of offense that it is. Okay, you have any questions?
For the other case, like where the paperwork came from and where the paperwork at?
I can't give you legal advice. So all I have is my file. So you may want to think about trying to get some counsel so that it can be one person to be able to handle this for you. So I would try and consider that if you want to have some counsel so that they can be able to follow your case the whole entire time, okay?
Okay.
There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Okay. Appreciate you. You enjoy your day.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Asha Webb.
Yes.
I'm gonna call your math line. You ready? These are the matters of the people versus Asha Webb. Are you able to activate the camera?
Yes, ma'am.
These are the matters of the people versus Asha Webb. This is ticket number P. She in a car. You're not supposed to be riding in a car during these hearings, even if
I'm sorry. I'm not driving though. If you need me to pull over, I will have my sister pull over.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Soroka, you want to finish talking to Mr. Williams real quick so we can pull him out?
I can't hear you.
He's in room one.
Okay, that's fine.
Somebody real quick while y'all pulled over. Okay. Mr. Soroka, you finished talking to him? Mr. Soroka, I can't hear you. Can you hear us? Trying to mute yourself, Mr. Soroka. I can't hear you. What happened? Mr. Soroka? No, I think you can. Yeah. Mr. Soroka, something's wrong with your. Mr. Williams, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. All right, Mr. Williams. I'm trying to get your matter called. I don't know what happened, Mr. Soroka, but everybody else can hear me.
Yeah.
You can hear me all right, Mr. Williams.
Yes.
I cannot, Mr. Soroka. Unmute yourself, though. You're on mute right now. I'm looking for Mr. Soroka. His audio all of a sudden stopped working, so he needs to Zoom courtroom the phone number.
Oh, it is 929. Who needs it?
Mr. Soroka,
Oh, it's 9. Oh, do I need to channel?
you might have to write it down.
2293 965-2293.
You're talking about the Zoom phone number, right?
Yeah,
there?
Zoom, it's 929-436-2866.
Oh, I'll write it down here.
Okay. It's 929-436-2866.
Here's, I'll highlight it, but this is kind of good.
You have it, Mrs. Soroki? Okay. All right, Mrs. Soroki, can you hear?
Yes.
All right, mute. Yep. I got you. These are the matters of Cornelius Williams. Got to turn down the volume. Mrs. Soroki. You got to turn down the volume.
I turned it down. Here. Let me. Now I turned off the court. On my computer.
Okay. All right, these are the matters of the people versus Cornelius Williams. This is ticket number X836109. One count speed freeway exceeded 70 per hour. One count no proof of insurance.
Yeah.
But you still here on the phone, right, Mr. Soroki?
I'm on the phone. I turned it off on my computer because it was making the the double noise.
All right, thank you. And one count no operator's license, multiple operators license person. Also calling ticket number 282740. One count possession intoxicants and motor vehicle. Case number 212203. One count no operator's license on person. Case number P872503. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling case number 310577. One count no operator's license on person. One count uninsured motor vehicle. Appearances for the record starting with counsel, please.
Yes. Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
I'm Cornelius Williams.
Yes. Basically, I'm sorry, Mr. Cornelius Williams. I don't think I had gotten a offer on him and talked to this individual. Let me see here. Yeah, I don't show anything on my sheet that I spoke. No, this is, Mr. Williams, I did speak to him. Mr. Williams wishes to plead not guilty and have these matters set for trial.
And the offer for the state is in behind the yes.
All right, is that right, Mr. Williams? You want to set these matters for a trial?
Not all of them, but one opening practice, yes.
He didn't accept the offer of the prosecutor, Your Honor. He's not willing to plead to open intoxicants passenger.
Okay, I get it. It's contingent. So the offers that they've extended today is contingent upon you taking that type of plea. So I know you may not want to, but you will have to plead as charged on everything else as opposed to. So we'll set this for a trial. Do you want to have a bench or a jury trial?
Bench.
Okay. Can you please raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, Mr. Williams. Ms. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And he's informing me today that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial where I will be the trier and finder of facts and base it based on the law. Is that how you want to proceed in this matter?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to set this for a trial, a bench trial on December the 14th of 2021.
I have another case for the 4th of December. I'm not 100% which one that is,
Okay.
but
Same day, we can set it off for the 14th of December.
yes.
Let me see what that matter is.
You got on November the 4th.
Yeah, one November the 4th.
Oh, December the 4th. I'm sorry.
November.
Wait. November? Oh, okay.
Your matters are on November the 4th. Hi, ladies.
Okay, I'm sorry.
All right. Can I see those printout of those cases?
Yeah.
Okay.
They probably over there. They're probably over there on the back.
Also calling for the record today, People versus Cornelius Williams, case number SP 1160004. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, please.
Alex Wilkie, P27441, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
And can you please state your name for the record, Mr. Williams?
My name is Cornelius Williams.
These matters were set for a show cause on November the 4th before myself, but we're gonna move them today and enter pleas of not guilty on your behalf in each one of these matters. So, Mr. Williams, I understand that you may want to plead on some of these matters and some of these matters you want to take to trial. It's late in the day, so I can give you two options. I can either have you come back for a pretrial on December 14th in all of these matters, and we can try and figure out stuff, or I can just set them for a bench trial right now, and we can do the same on that day, and proceed forward with the trial of that one case if you want to at that day, at that point in time. Is that how you want to proceed?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to make it on December the 14th. We're going to hear all of your matters. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. And you're going to Zoom back in the same way that you did today. These matters will be scheduled at 9 a.m. Okay?
Wait, what day is the 14th on? I'm sorry.
Let me see.
Tuesday.
It's a Tuesday.
Do you have anything open? I didn't hear you.
I said, what day of the week don't you work?
Friday.
Okay. Let me try and find a Friday for you. Thank you for telling me. We'll work with you, Mr. Williams. I don't want you to lose your employment.
All right.
The 17th?
Yeah. Let's do it December the 17th. Does that work for you?
Yes.
Okay, we'll do it Friday, December the 17th, still at 9 a.m. Okay, Zoom back in the same way you zoomed in today. Okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, this concludes this hearing for today. And you don't have to worry about the November the 4th date because we're going to set everything on December the 17th. Okay?
Okay. And are those warrants listed?
Yes, if there are any warrants outstanding, I'll make sure that the warrants are now at this point in time set aside. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Williams. Okay, have a good day.
Thank you. Awesome day.
That's it.
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
You're okay. I know you got excited. All right, you're all set. All right, Miss Webb, did you stop driving now? Okay. These are the matters of the people versus Shia Webb.
Yes, I stopped driving.
I see. Thank you so much. Asha Webb.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ticket number P1190440. One count defective or improper turn signal. One count failed to properly secure passenger child. One count drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket number P1190431. One count 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. One count no proof of insurance. One count defective brake lights. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
Ms. Webb, can you state your name for the record?
Yes, Aisha Webb.
Yes. Your Honor, Ms. Webb wishes to accept the offer of prosecution in this matter.
Is that right, Ms. Webb? You want to accept the offer today?
Yes.
All right, if so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Webb, you can put your hand down. Ms. Webb, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And let me see. And you're going to be pleading responsible today of 2 tickets. That means that when you plead responsible, I'm going to read into the record all the tickets to plead and then enter a fine on behalf of each one of those tickets. You understand that, ma'am?
Okay.
All right. So reading from ticket number P1190431, that on the date, both of these tickets are going to be on the date of April the 21st of 2021. That Miss Aisha Webb was driving a 2008 Chevy vehicle in the area of Gratiot Avenue and Maple Ridge Streets in the city of Detroit and did block traffic. She also on ticket ending in 4404, same date, same location, same vehicle, did at that point in time fail to properly secure a passenger child. Satisfied, Attorney Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the court is satisfied as well with this. Is there stipulation for probable cause on the one count to be dismissed, the misdemeanor to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to dismiss that misdemeanor as well as the remaining tickets on 431, ticket ending in 431, count 2 and 3, and on ticket number P ending in 440, count 1 and 3 will be dismissed. All right, there are 2 separate fines. The blockading fine is $175, and the fail to secure properly secure a child is $120, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You have, unfortunately, they're misdemeanors, they're not misdemeanors, they're civil infractions, so they only give you 14 days to pay it before they start tacking on fines. So you only have 2 days to pay it, okay? So that's gonna be a total of $295, okay?
Let me 295.
Yes, $295.
Okay.
Fine. The tickets go up by like $40 each if you don't pay it by that time. And so try your hardest to pay it by that time.
Okay. It'll probably be next week when I pay it.
Okay. All right. I just want to let you know because I don't want you to say, oh man, there may be some Secretary of State fees that you have to pay too, but you don't have to pay those immediately. Okay. Just worry about paying the tickets first. That way you don't get any extra costs and fines. Okay.
Okay. Do I come back to court at 1:30?
No, because we took care of all your matters this morning. So because you were patient and you waited this morning, we took care of everything. So you don't have to come back this afternoon. Okay, you're all set.
Alrighty.
All right. There's another.
I have another question.
Yes.
He was I spoke on the warrant that I have, and it stopped me from getting a job. It's on my record. I think it's like an identity theft.
Oh, that's another court.
It's 36.
Is it 36? Let me see if we can pull it up.
Did we
That's,
do, count 1, 2, and 3 for her? 'Cause only count-
I got the case number.
okay. That identity theft is usually a Frank Murphy. Maybe a misdemeanor. Most of the time it's different type of
You need
case.
case number?
I do, please.
205-621-901.
That's
And they
a
sent,
that's a felony.
yeah, because they had sent it to my old address and I couldn't even go to court on this.
So, okay, all right. Let me conclude this matter. Does this conclude this hearing? This concludes this hearing, so that's how much you owe on both of those matters, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
What's her middle name, Renee?
What's your middle name, Renee?
Yes, ma'am. And it's
We're gonna look at
it's a bond history of 5,000 cash surety bond set.
That's definitely, okay, let me end this. This concludes this hearing for today. All right.
She had a bunch of tickets on November.
All right. You also have quite a bit of tickets on November the 2nd as well. Did you know that?
No, I didn't know that.
You have 13 tickets. So you're gonna have to sign back in on November the 2nd. Oh, more than that. Okay.
Damn. I mean,
I just, on November the 2nd, 2021, you're gonna sign back on. Those are formal hearings, though some of them are my cases as well.